Right. So if you're like a parent that their kids are heading to college, make sure you get one of these. This is essential. It's a shower caddy. It's perfect for them. They carry their stuff with them. Now make sure you balance it out. All right. Keep the heavier stuff on one side and the other stuff on the other side too. You got enough for your toothpaste, brushes, your sponges. All this stuff could carry here. And on top of that, it's water will go right through the whole item. So if one of them breaks or spills, you don't have to worry about it. So if you have your mouthwash and you have an indentation or something else, you don't have to worry about it because down below it has plenty of little holes. They come in different colors, all right? And look at this. The centerpiece is because you could put this in between actually. Sometimes they have these showers that have indentations that you can actually hang these things in there, or bathtubs too. Also, that's what they have these things there. They hang perfectly. It's plastic material. The heavier it is, it's because of you loading it up with all your stuff. But overall, it's a little great caddy shatty for your kids to go to college or for yourself. If you're going to the gym, carry one of these too also, because you want to take your own shampoos, your own items. This is perfect.